I don't have time to clean all day, and I'm guessing you don't either. Here's how I actually keep my home clean without losing my mind. I anchor my days with a cleaning reset. Every morning, afternoon, and night, I take 10 minutes to go around my home, see what's out of place, and I immediately pick it up. I also encourage my children to do the same. Next, I use the 3-zone methods. I have things that I do in my home daily, weekly, and deep cleaningly, or about once a month. This helps keep my home in tip-top shape without stressing myself out or spending countless of hours that I absolutely do not have to be cleaning around the clock all day long. If I have a particular super duper busy day, then I have different kinds of cleaning for those days. There are some days where I do my top 3 that I absolutely cannot miss. Dress to shoes, make my bed, swish and swipe my toilet, and well, okay, maybe there's 4 because I absolutely have to unload the dishwasher. And then there's other days where I have a little bit more time and I dedicate more time to the routine. But I try not to beat myself up over not getting things done right then and there. Instead, I pick up a pocket in the afternoon when things are a little bit more settled and I work on whatever I've missed then. So be sure that whenever you're scheduling your super busy days, you keep a lull somewhere throughout the day so you can get those things that you didn't get in the morning. That way they can still be done before the day's up, but you don't have to run around and falling behind everything else doing those things. In particularly busy seasons, I pair my cleaning and tidying with my other habits. For example, if I'm making a cup of tea, I now go ahead and wipe my sink or unload my dishwasher. If I am already brushing my teeth, I clean the mirrors and do my swish and swipe right then and there. Pairing these habits with things you're already doing makes it second nature to keep your home clean even with little time. And another thing I do is I follow theme days. Keeping this daily rhythm will help me to catch up even if I fall behind on one day. So when you set your homes to do, for example, Monday's bathrooms, Tuesday's kitchen, and the like, you could just pick up where you left off. And also make sure you don't forget to plan a CEO day for your home. This one will help you plan around and navigate your super busy schedule, but also make time to keep your home tidy and organized. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.